The glamour of alcohol. Let's just skip past the cheers and go straight to the hangovers, shall we? Not quite the morning glow you were hoping for, huh? Oh, and the shaking? It's not a dance move. That's your body screaming for help. Pain? That's just your liver working overtime. No biggie, right? Wrong. Let's not forget about the depression. Who doesn't love a good cry in the shower? Let's get real, dude. This is withdrawal, and it is definitely not a joke. It's your body telling you something is wrong. Really wrong. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. There is a way out. And it all starts with understanding and then taking action. You gotta start drinking like you care about tomorrow. If we continue practicing drinking alcohol the exact same way an alcoholic would, we are setting ourselves up for failure. We have got to practice drinking less alcohol and sitting within our discomfort instead of drowning in it. I am an ex-alcoholic and a liver failure survivor. If you need a roadmap, trust me, I've been there. I've spent the last 6 years building revolutionary resources just to help you. Thousands of people have already utilized these resources and gotten the support that they needed. There is life beyond the bottle, and it's waiting for you. Trust me, dude, there is a lot more to life than just avoiding hangovers. So if you're ready to say goodbye to withdrawals and say hello to a healthier you, let's get started. Your future self is already thanking you.